Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to show you how to debloat Windows 10 with Windows PowerShell. How to debloat Windows 10 Easy Guide 2020. So first of all, I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to the search bar, and here I'm going to write PowerShell. So I'll right click this PowerShell, run as administrator, and then I'm going to paste a script which will download a Windows 10 debloater. So for this I have to press enter after pasting the script. So now the script is installed, as you can see, and I'm going to drag it on the right hand side, and here I have all the debloating options. So this script have been picked up by me from GitHub. I have mentioned the source in the description of the video, as well as mentioned the PowerShell script for you guys to copy and paste in your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. So I will first of all disable Cortana. It says Cortana has been disabled. Stop HPDF takeover. Should no longer take over as the default PDF. Uninstall OneDrive. They say please wait, so we will wait. This script is very handy, my friends. It will really boost up your Windows 10 system, and you can also check out my other videos, other guide on boosting Windows 10 performance. So we will wait for this to uninstall our OneDrive. It says stopping Explorer, and I have to check and confirm whether my recorder is working or not. It's working, it seems. So I'll go back to my script and unpin tiles from start menu. They are unpinning all the tiles from the start menu, my friends. This Windows 10 debloater script, and disable telemetry tasks. So they will just disable all the telemetry tasks. They have been disabled as well. And finally I have option remove bloatware register keys. So this is done as well, my friends. And finally I will tell you guys, there is a option of enabling dark mode. So I will enable this dark mode as well. Once this bloatware registry keys are removed, you see all of these registries, they are being removed from my system and bloatware. And now I'll click enable dark mode. Now dark mode is enabled. Let's see, go to settings and click it. You see everything is in dark mode. Wherever I go, I can see dark mode. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if this has boosted the performance of your Windows 10 and speed it up to a new level. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments. Take care.